Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to deliver a lesson for class 11th subject zoology. Since in our previous topics we discussed in detail about different aspects of the cell division that included mitosis and meiosis. Now today we will discuss about the various differences between mitosis and meiosis, that is mitosis versus meiosis, or we can say the difference between mitosis and meiosis. First of all, we must understand the basic idea behind the cell division. The basic idea behind the cell division is the division of mother cell to produce daughter cells. As we studied in our previous topic about both these divisions, and in both these divisions we understood that the cell division is of two types, that is mitosis and meiosis. In both these types of cell divisions, the mother cell divides and gives rise to daughter cells. Obviously, in mitosis we saw that the mother cell, diploid mother cell, produces identical daughter cells which are also diploid, while as in meiosis we saw that a diploid mother cell produces haploid daughter cells which are also called as gametes, and this haploid set of chromosomes is denoted by N, whereas the diploid set of chromosome is denoted by 2N, wherein N is the number of chromosome. And now you can see in mitosis the daughter cells are also diploid as that of the parent cell, while as in meiosis the daughter cells are haploid. Now the mitosis actually generates identical daughter cells or new body cells. In each mitotic division, a mother cell actually produces two identical daughter cells, and in meiosis we saw that meiosis generates haploid germ cells which are also known as eggs or sperm, which actually upon fertilization form a zygote which is also diploid as that of the parent. Now therefore mitosis produces diploid cells and meiosis produces haploid cells. Now this cell division is therefore broadly of two types, that is mitosis and meiosis. And from the perspective of living organisms, both these types of the cell divisions are extremely important. An organism needs mitosis for growth, development and repair of body cells and tissues, and also this organism needs to reproduce, and for reproduction meiosis is very important because it is only through meiosis that haploid gametes are produced. Now after understanding all these basic things, now we will look about the differences between the two types of cell divisions. Although there are many differences between cell divisions, but here we will discuss about some of the major differences between the two. Now first of all we will understand the mitosis. In mitosis we see that two daughter cells are formed in each mitotic division, and in meiosis actually 4 daughter cells are produced from a single mother cell. And mitosis generates identical daughter cells, as already said, which are diploid as that of the parent cell, whereas meiotic division, each meiotic division generates 4 haploid cells from a single mother cell, and those 4 haploid daughter cells are having only half the number of chromosomes, that is represented by N. taking n as the number of chromosomes. The next important difference between the two is that mitosis is also known as equational division. For instance, this is the mother cell, daughter cell, in which mitosis will take place, and after this mitotic division, each mother cell produces two daughter cells with identical number of chromosomes, that is 2n. 2n is the number of chromosomes in the mother cell, and also in daughter cells there is the 2n number of chromosomes, that is the diploid set of chromosomes. While as in meiosis, this meiosis is also termed as reductional division as against the mitosis, which is called a equational division. It is called a reductional division because the number of chromosomes becomes only half in the daughter cells. As you can see, this meiosis actually has two phases of division. Now, the first is the post-meiotic division, which divides the mother cell, diploid mother cell, into two daughter cells. Then in the second meiotic division, each daughter cell produced by the first division again divides into two. Thus, a single mother cell during the complete meiotic division gives rise to 4 daughter cells with haploid set of chromosomes. These are also called as gametes or egg or sperm. Now, the another difference between the two is that daughter cells receive the same number of chromosomes as that of parent, as you can see in the sketch, and in case of meiosis, the daughter cells receive the half number of chromosomes as that of parent cells. Now, the other difference between the two is that mitotic cell division is essential for the growth of the body, for repair of the tissues and cells, and in unicellular organisms, mitosis is also involved in asexual reproduction besides multiplication of somatic or body cells, while as in the meiosis is essential for sexual reproduction as it produces haploid gametes, that is eggs or sperm, with haploid number of chromosomes. This ensures the maintenance of constant chromosome number that is characteristic of a particular species generations after generation. And also meiosis produces variations of genetic characters. These variations, which are produced during the meiotic cell division, are very essential for adaptation or evolution. One thing I would like to tell here is that sometimes the mitosis becomes uncontrolled. Occasionally it becomes uncontrolled, and the uncontrolled mitosis in certain tissues and organs results in neoplasia, that is also known as new growth. Neoplasia means new growth, which is not actually needed by an organism, so it is unwanted and uncontrolled, and this condition is commonly termed as cancer. Now, this is all about the major differences between mitosis and meiosis. Thank you.